my little unsuspecting toddler. Just blah. I don't know how to explain other than blah. She's like beating me over here. Lucia! Alright. It's exactly 4:45. Alright. Miss Lucia saw the collectible penny stand and she would like to do it. Alright, so we're gonna do it. Right? So you can be happy? Alright. Alright, Lucia, how much does this cost? How much money? $1, right?
Yeah.
$1. And you get a penny. Okay, let's see her do it. You might need some help. Let's see if you got this.
I got it.
Oh. Try it again. Need help? No. It's got to go right there. It's got to go here. I'm going to help you. Sometimes it's just wrinkly, so it doesn't like it. Okay, so we're gonna turn it and tell that you wanted the Mickey one, right? Keep doing it until the Mickey goes in the red box. Keep going. Okay. Now we. Oh, there we go. What did it give us? Uh-oh. Let me see. Let me see it. Oh, it gave us the car one. So I guess this is just random. These are like the old school ones. Do you want to try it again?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it again. Yeah, give us a car one. We wanted the Mickey one. When Epcot, you have to like choose which one you want. Don't waste it. No, Mama, we could always bring it to Scarlet, okay? Alright guys, wish us luck. We're going on Hollywood Tower of Terror for the first time. I'm like a little bit nervous. First of all, this ride alone makes me nervous by myself, and I'm bringing my little unsuspecting toddler.
You are about to discover what lies beyond the fifth dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of your imagination, in the Tower of Terror.
Okay, here we go, Lucia. First, I want to hear what you thought of Hollywood Tower of Terror. Did you like it?
No.
No, you just told me you liked it.
Oh, I liked it.
You liked it or you didn't like it?
I don't know.
You guys, she did so great. Oh my god, she is more brave than I am. I'm a little chicken. She's brave. I'm so proud of this little girl that I'm raising here. She's so good. So good. That was definitely, I was worried this might be our last ride for the vacation, but she did great and she really liked it. So I guess maybe I should try to book a lightning lane tomorrow for Tiana's ride. Yeah, I feel like this was worse than that, so I don't know. Well, they're both, I feel like they're comparable in different ways. I don't know. All right, let's see what we can do now. She really wants to do aerial show, but I think that was the last show. We have gone on so much. We really did like so many things today. So it's just amazing. We've had just such a great day. Wow, I got burned.
Disney Skyliner and Disney Hollywood Studios.
Bye, Toy Story Mania.
We are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach.
That was Hollywood Studios.
With connecting flights to Epcot International Gateway.
I got burned today. I actually did put SPF 70 this morning, but man, I didn't reapply. My arms, I don't think, I guess we'll see later. They don't look terrible. Yeah, I probably should have reapplied. I probably should have reapplied this morning. And then of course Lucia, I sprayed on her arms and legs and I don't think I put anything on her face and she looks normal. Like my Irish skin. Irish English skin. Want to say hi to the vlog? Mommy's so proud of you today. What did you do today? For the first time, you did so many rides for the first time, right? What was your favorite ride today?
Spanky Dog.
That was your favorite?
Yeah.
It went so fast and high, right? It was kind of scary but fun. Did you like the Tower of Terror, the one that dropped fast? No, was that too scary for you? Initially, you said you liked it.
The water that flows from the protected wetlands around Walt Disney World.
You liked it, but not your favorite, right?
All the way to the Everglades, the Atlantic Ocean.
Oh, she likes Spaceman, aka Smuggler's Run, aka...
Jules like Spaceman.
Okay, Spaceman. Smuggler's Run. Oh my gosh, my eyes look super red here. My eyes even got sunburned, Lucia. Why is Mommy's face all red? She looks great. It's your Spanish in you. El Salvadorian protects her from the sun. Anyway, another great day. Today, honestly, yesterday I felt so, I don't know what I was feeling yesterday. I was just like bummed. I don't know. It was just like a weird feeling I was feeling. Just blah. I don't know how to explain other than blah. So we like ended the day early. We were in bed by 8:30 last night, so maybe that could explain the better mood today that we got. Oh, careful! That we both got like plenty of sleep, and then this morning we didn't like rope drop anything. We just like took our time getting into the park, and then the all the landing lanes were just going amazing today. We didn't like have any moment we were just sitting there. It was just everything was amazing. And I think it helped that she unlocked the 40-inch height requirement now. I wish I would have like discovered that yesterday because that maybe would have put a smile on my face. Even though the Epcot popcorn bucket did it yesterday, but yeah, I'm just so excited because now like today Disney was like 10 times better than it's ever been, and it's just gonna keep getting great. Like I should keep unlocking new height requirements so we get to experience all these things together.
Oh no, Budgie.
What?
Budgie.
What's that?
We will be arriving at Disney's Caribbean
You're not speaking
Beach
English
shortly. All passengers must disembark and transfer at this station. Thank you. And we hope you enjoy the most magical flight on Earth.
Alright, we're about to get off and transfer. We're staying at Plop today, so we're gonna go do that now. We're transferring at Caribbean Beach. Alright. Here we go. Day. I'm just gonna keep saying. All right, we just got to Pop. We are gonna go to Bell Services and just check last year when we stayed here, we were so fortunate that they actually brought our luggage to the room, which was so nice because we got in so late. They already had our luggage in the room, so I'm hoping that happens today. Otherwise, not a big deal because today we only have like 4 pieces of luggage, I think. So we're gonna go check that out. Lucia really wants to go swimming. Oh no. Lucia really wants to go swimming, and I promised her the aerial show. We didn't do that. Yesterday I promised her swimming. We didn't do that. Mother of the year here. So yeah, we're gonna go do swimming. So we're gonna go find our luggage and get a move on it. Alright guys, I just washed my face. We're about to go swimming in the pool. We got into our room and everything all fine. So we are in a building that is under refurbishment, so there's a lot of construction going on, so that is kind of annoying. But I was hoping we'd have a refurbished room at least, but no. Anyway, whatever, we're gonna go swimming now and then call it a night. So yeah. Guys, good morning. I realized I forgot to close out the vlog last night. I should have closed it out before I went to the pool, but if you made it this far in the video and you're still here, thanks for watching. If we're not already friends, I would love it if you would stick around and subscribe. We share a lot of our Disney vlogs, tips, tricks, all the things, a lot of room tours, a lot of fun with me and my toddler. Give this video a like, it really does help to support the channel, and we'll see you in the next one or at Disney. Thanks for watching.
I've been all around the world.